Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, rolls, milling machines, saws, water jets, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you a nice heavy-duty machine, very, very heavy-duty. This is a Webb 5/8 over 8 foot. You can see the rolls have a few little spots on them depending on what you're going to be bending. I definitely probably wouldn't put stainless steel on here, but if you're bending something or doing some rolling, some ugly material or something heavy, this will definitely get the job done. You can see it's an initial pinch roll, meaning the two rolls are right on top of each other, pinching the material in. As it comes through, it's going to hit this last roll, and that's the roll I'm going to show you right here. You can see you can raise and lower this roll. It's nice and powered, and that's going to give you the different degree of bend as it's being pulled through the machine. Now, there's not too many controls on this machine. You've got your in and out, forward and reverse. You've got your up and down of your rear roll. You've got an air drop in, which will show you that. That's how you're going to remove your material after you've made your complete circle. And then you have these quick little ratchet type front roll. What that's going to do is allow this front roll to pinch up and down. You open these and close them on each side, and that'll raise and lower that roll, allowing for you to pinch it in and bring in the material. So we'll go ahead and see if we can get this material inside. We're going to roll it in. Now you can see by the angle I have the rear, that's about as much as we're going to get on our bend. So not a huge angle. So this will give you an idea, depending on what degree of bend you're going to be rolling on these machines. It's a nice heavy plate. Just because it's an older machine doesn't mean that it's not going to last. You can see these real big heavy duty gears. They are going to last forever. In fact, on this air drop end, we just completely rebuilt the seals and the cylinder on it, and it's a great running machine. That should be no problem. I'm going to lower the forklift here. Just give us some room. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring our material back, and I'm going to increase our bend angle. Once we get it back enough, we'll stop it. And we're going to bring up the rear roller. You can see already it's bending the plate. That's definitely going to give it more of a degree of bend there. So now we'll bring it back in. Now you don't want this to go quickly, obviously, because everything's nice and safe. You can make sure everything's set in the correct ways, your pinch. Once you get all the setup of initially putting the material in, the pinch, and the degrees on the rear end will make it really easy for you to complete and do more cycles of it. Now I'm going to raise that rear roll again. Bring it into reverse. Another nice feature about this machine is the control. It's on a joystick, so if you need to be able to move the material around, you'll be able to get to it. We're getting close there. We'll bring it in just a little bit more. Now you have to stop it and start it each time. It's not just a push start and stop. Once you hit forward, it turns the motor on and it begins to move that roll. Now we're going to bring it back in another time. We'll see. We should have a nice close bend. You can come take a look at the rear end here and the mechanical of all this. All these gears, really big, heavy gears, made to just really last a lifetime or 5 people's lifetime and really work on some heavy material. Now we sell these machines new as well. If you're looking for something new with a CNC or hydraulic power, we can help you out with that. But of course the price is going to be a lot more. So depending on what materials you're using, as I started this off, if you were doing stainless steel, perhaps this isn't going to be the roll for you. Something new would probably be best, but this would work great. So last but not least, once you have your roll pretty much set up, you're going to want to use your drop end. That's this area right here. What we do is we open the air drop end, that comes down, and it allows you to slide your part right out the end, put it back. Nice and smooth, neutral, and you're ready to roll. Now, if this is the machine you're looking for, we have a lot of different styles, sizes, new as well as used, and we'd love to buy, sell, or trade any type of fabrication machinery or chip making machinery with you. Give us a call at 626-444-0311. Check out our website for some great financing options, as well as all our inventory, videos, and more at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you. All right, proof of life for the brake for A6668. Works great.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311, and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.